Alright guys, so today we're looking at this hypercharger, one of my collection. This is a radio controlled Nissan Skyline R35 hypercharger, and it looks really nice in the box with its gold rims and silver clean look. That being said, let's take this bad boy out of the box. So here's the 2009 Nissan GT-R R35 Exotic Tuner Edition Hypercharger. This is by Jada RC. Now, I do have two other videos. I did a video review of the Ford Mustang 5.0 liter, and I think I did a Chevy Camaro as well. So those videos, there should be a link below this video where you can actually get access to those videos. And if it's not below this video, there should be links on the upper right hand side of this screen that you're looking at. So it should be up this side where there should be links to those videos as well. And speaking of links, if you want to get yourself one of these lovely collectibles, click the link below this video as well. There's a link to the Amazon site where you can get these. Alright, let me just unpack this. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks very nice indeed. Now honestly, these cars are radio control cars, but they look so good that you can just put this on your desk at the office and people will take a second look at it. It looks really nice. I find that these cheap radio control cars have come a long way. Back in the day they didn't really look all that cool, right? But now you can see they've put a lot of work into this model, into these models I should say. Okay, so this hook these clips at the bottom here, so this will come right out. Oh, that comes out. That's nice. And then here is the controller, which I'm going to take out. That's your controller. And that's pretty much it for the packaging. Now guys, just look at that. Look, this car is cute. Look at the quality. Look at I think what got my attention was the gold rims, right? The design of the rims, the low profile tires, and then this nice silver finish with the GTR logo on there. This looks like the real thing. And it's a very cheap radio control car. But I mean, this will appeal to the young and old at heart, right? Look at that. Look at the side of those back wheels, and then look at the back. Look at those lights, right? The double exhausts, exotic tuner, right? So I think one of the reasons why you have such great detail in these cars is because they are actually licensed products from the original manufacturer. So hence the uncanny resemblance to the real thing. Just a little bit smaller, right? Now the controller, it's a basic controller. It doesn't have the old-fashioned retractable antenna which can easily break. It's actually this little nub here. Of course you have your forward and backwards, left and right, on switch, LED, right, to say that it's on. And then we have a little thing at the back top here, which is the turbo button. When you press this, you get a little bit more juice into those wheels, and she goes a little bit faster. Alright, now to get an idea right now of how fast this goes, I do have as I said earlier, two other videos where I did hypercharger reviews of the Mustang and the Camaro, and this is pretty much the same type of car, so you can get an idea of the speed in those videos. But what I will do for this anyways, in part 2 of this video, I'll get some batteries for this and test drive this on the living room floor. But I just wanted to take it out of the box and show you how lovely this looks. I mean, honestly, for me, this is just going to be a desk piece. I just like how it looks, right? So the bottom here, the reason it's called a hypercharger for those of you seeing me reviewing one of these for the first time is that it doesn't take batteries. There's actually a built-in lithium-ion battery which is connected to this USB cable, and you plug this into your PC or laptop and you charge your car through your laptop, right? And then when you're done, you put the cable back in its little compartment here, and you close it back, and then you're good to go, right? Actually had, yeah, it's flashing red there because it has a little bit of charge in it, but not much. And here, of course, is our steering. Here you can adjust the alignment. So if it's veering a bit to the left or to the right, you can actually adjust it with this little switch here, right, to make sure that your car drives straight. And this car is rear-wheel drive, it's not all-wheel drive, which is pretty cool because if I'm correct, the Nissan GT-R is rear-wheel drive. It'd be interesting to see if I can get this to drift on the kitchen floor. Right, but this looks really nice. Look at that. Right, there's no suspension, by the way, but who cares? I mean, it's a cheap car, but this looks really nice. Honestly, I would have this on my, on my desk at work. It's gonna get a lot of attention. And I mean, you can collect these. The good folks at Jada Toys have made so many different models. There's exotic tuners, there's muscle cars. Here's my Mustang 5.0 liter that I did a review on earlier this year, right? And they all use the same type of controller. One other thing about these controllers, you can actually drive lots of these. I think it's up to 16 of these you can drive together without having any interference, cross-frequency interference, which is pretty cool. Here's my Camaro. I had a yellow Camaro that I use as well. So that's my Camaro, that's my Nissan GT-R, and that's my 5.0 liter Mustang. Let's put that properly in the picture there. Right, so you can see them there. And again, I will have links to all of these below this video because hey, Christmas is coming around the corner, and these are the perfect, ideal gifts to get for kids, young and old. And I will stress the term old. Guys will love these as well. And again, when you see the price, you will agree that these are very cheap and they look good. Anyway guys, so that's it for this unboxing. Again, in part 2 I'll get some batteries for this and show you how fast it drives. But if you cannot wait for that, check out the other 2 videos that I did on these 2, and you can see how I think I did some outdoor driving with these, and you get a good idea of how they drive. And yeah, that's it. So until next time guys, have fun and play well. Bye bye.